How many can you carry? Come on, bring the groceries in.
Right.
I hope I didn't leave you the eggs. Good job. Come on.
You gonna put them in your shopping cart?
Come on, bring in the groceries for me. Whoa, whoops, you okay? Those are heavy, huh? Are you gonna close the gate too? Okay. Good job. Nicholas, you gonna wave to me? Say hi.
I didn't know we had any.
What'd you find? Ooh, sausage. What else is in that one? Ah, not on your face. Good job.